why should you look into Tantra and do this work and investment? It's like, why should you live a better and more abundant and free life? Why should you, live your dream and follow your highest excitement daily if you can? I don't understand the question. I really don't understand the question. So, do you really want to live your shitty life, your okay life with regular sex, etc.? I tell you, if you're not practicing and living and knowing about the importance of intention setting, conscious living, communication, tantric sex, conscious lovemaking, all the different energy movement practices, in the end it's really energy and body work, breath works, you can do solo and with your partner, you're really missing out on so much bliss and so much more connection, intimacy, and also healing. So why wouldn't you be curious to explore a little bit more? You can start easily learning about it and practicing it all solo, or you dive into it with your partner. In the end, it definitely starts with you, first of all. As you have to learn to expand your energy and move energies in your body up and down in all kind of different ways. Tantra also means learning to expand energies, our energies, and weave them together. And this is a practice, So if you want to learn more and experiencing it for yourself and also with your partner, contact me. And you know what, also I just hear this one thing again and again. People are telling me, who have been to my teaching, I say, thank you. Now I understand. Now I understand what Tantra means and really is. And that, it always begins with me and with my body and with my presence. So many people have really such a blurred image of Tantra, which I totally understand, as it was really exactly the same thing for me as well, until I dived into it for real and opened myself up for it. And there are so many different tantric paths and ways of Tantra out there, just as like there's so many different paths of living out there you can choose. So you really have to be also careful which sessions and workshops you go to when you go somewhere offline. Definitely, I would say, out of my own experience and what I heard. So really ask clear questions in advance and find out what is going to happen there, so that it doesn't end up in a hidden orgy, in an open temple night, which really happens everywhere in the world quite a lot. I hear it all the time. It's happening in Germany as well, here in Tenerife, in Kopangan, and Bali, and so on. Even shibari chains can be like that, right? So they followed up, sort of like a follow-up with the opportunity to have sex at the place. It's crazy. For me, it's crazy. Because I'm not into this. I'm not going to such events. That's not my thing. I'm definitely not designed for that. I'm also not available for that. But I'm open to experience in general new things, of course, and to explore. Like I just did also with shibari, but I did it one-on-one in a safe space, in a safe setting. It was amazing. I really liked it. I enjoyed it. And so just become curious, and just as you and me, we probably all need a safe space and a person to feel connected to. And when you found that, perfect, then go for it, Go and then ask the facilitator straight away, your questions which are in your mind, which is important for you to know beforehand, so that, you, if you're not sure enough what to expect there, yeah? And if you want to know more about my work and workshops and so on, then please go check out the infos in the description. Also, my other videos, feedback videos, my Instagram, and reach out to work with me when you are curious to learn something new, or just to expand your consciousness in that, to experience something new, to get some support, and we all can learn from each other. Always, we will always be and stay students of life and of the Earth School as well. So I'm looking forward to hear from you, to read from you, and wish you a beautiful day.